the HOLZSTAR KGZ 305EI. The mobile miter and crosscut saw for precise cuts, versatile applications, and professional results. The base plate and turntable are made of high-quality die-cast aluminum. This makes the machine compact, robust, and at the same time easy to transport. Perfect for mobile use. A dust bag or external extraction system can be connected to the extraction port, ensuring clean work and a clear view of the cut. With its integrated sliding function, it offers an extended cutting range, ideal for wide workpieces and demanding miter cuts. The fence rails are adjustable on both sides. Sideways extendable support arms reliably support even longer workpieces. The standard supplied clamp ensures a very secure hold by firmly locking the workpiece in place. The KGZ 305EI impresses with its steplessly adjustable double miter and double bevel. This keeps it flexible for all angles and bevel cuts. An integrated LED projection displays the cutting line directly on the workpiece. This allows you to check the cutting position precisely before making the cut. The HOLZSTAR KGZ 305EI. Precision, mobility, and versatility combined in one machine.